You're going to devour my chili honey garlic chicken that's ready in 10 minutes. It is sweet, spicy, and tastes way better than takeout. The recipe is in the description below. We're going to get started by prepping our chicken for this dish. I'm using some white meat, so here I have some chicken tenders. You can also use chicken breast or chicken thighs for dark meat if you want it a little bit more juicy. I like more of the white meat, makes it a little bit more healthier, and it's easier for me to prep throughout the weekday. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting my tenders in half, and then I'm going to cut these into 3 little chicken strip pieces. These are easier to cook and easier to eat. Then we're going to add some cornstarch, lots of onion powder, black pepper, and some salt. Mix this all together so the cornstarch and the seasoning are all over your chicken. And then you're going to set this aside while you're cooking your rice. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a little bit of cooking spray to the rice cooker pan. And then I'm going to add my white jasmine rice that has already been washed. Now I'm going to add some water and a little bit of salt. Make sure to follow the recipe instructions on your particular jasmine rice. Add it to the rice cooker. For our sauce, it's super simple. All you're going to do is add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to a measuring cup. And then you're going to add 5 tablespoons of honey. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. Then you're going to add 10 cloves of fresh minced garlic to your marinade as well. Then you're going to mix this all together and then set this aside so you can get started on cooking your chicken. Now I'm going to add some avocado oil to a pan and then add my chicken. Let this cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes on each side, just so that way the chicken is brown and cooked on both sides. Then you're going to set your chicken aside, and once you're done with that, you're going to add your sauce to the pan. So I've reduced my temperature to low, and now I'm adding my sauce. You're going to let this lightly simmer for at least a minute and a half. Then you're going to add your chicken back in and let this cook for at least 5 minutes on low. This is going to let the chicken soak in all of that flavor, and it's also going to reduce the sauce so it's much more thick. Now we're going to serve this up by topping it off with some sesame seeds and some green onion. Then you're going to take the rice that's been cooking and serve it up with that delicious, sweet, spicy chili garlic chicken. Topping it off with a little bit more green onion. This is an easy and delicious weeknight meal that's packed with flavor and is so easy to make. I hope you enjoy.